what's up, it's Ruby and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be redoing this room and I'm super pumped. It's not the bedroom but it is the spare room, which I'm going to convert into my study area, my getting ready area, my filming area, my meditation area, all of that kind of stuff. So before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see more of me and my views. So yeah, hit the subscribe button if you want to. Anyway, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so let me run you through the situation. So this is quite a small room. Once we walk in, we have a lot of mess here on this corner. I have way too much stuff. I've got rubbish right here. I've got my denim rack, which needs a bit of organization. Then we've got a blind here with a big window. We've got another big window with a blind here. My mirror is over here. So, sup? It's a big mirror. We've got a whole heap of stuff here which I just need to go ahead and clean up. We've got an IKEA shelf storage space here. We've got a desk from Kmart. I think it's from Kmart, maybe it's from Officeworks. We got all this stuff that we need to clear out here, and you know, that lamp that needs to be opened. We've got a closet right here, and then we've got the door right there. So that's what we're working with right now. I have a few different ideas for the way that I want to lay it out. All right, so let me run you through my my ideas. Okay, so we've got basically I've got two ideas for layouts. So I'm thinking, this is my diagram, which I hope you appreciate. So here is the door. Here is a closet. Here I want to have an armchair, a plant, my jeans rack, my mirror. That can be interchangeable depending on what looks good. Then I'll have my camera setup area here. Then I'll have my meditation corner over here, which will be exciting. Then I have my desk against here. But this, I'm not sure because I don't know if I want to have my desk facing the blind, essentially facing the window. Here's the other option. Okay, so we've got the door, yeah, okay, we know that. So we've got the plant here, we've got the armchair here. We've got the mirror here, the desk facing the wall, which I think is a better option. The meditation area in the window area, which I think is also a good option. The jean rack where it is, a plant, we've got to add there. And the filming setup kind of like right here. So let's see. All right, so let's just see what layout works. Obviously we can move stuff around if we can set it up one way, and if we don't like it, then we can move it around. So the first thing that I have to do is clean up this mess. There is just a lot of mess around here, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that. Okay, all right, let's do it. Cleaned up so far. I've cleaned up this whole corner of the room, which is great. I've cleaned up my jean rack a bit. It's looking great, nice and color, what is it? Color coordinated, kind of, whatever, you know what I mean. Anyways, so we've done this corner. Now time to tackle this corner. This corner is undoubtedly more messy, so you know, let's just get onto it. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna start with this corner because this is the grossest corner. Just taking a quick ice matcha break. Really hot today, and there's so much dust up here that I'm getting like allergies, and then my nose is running and stuff. Anyways, so I pretty much cleared out this corner really quickly, which is great. Now I just gotta clear up my desk and then just kind of start arranging stuff. Maybe I'll be done pretty soon. This is a lot quicker than I anticipated. I'm actually dying, it's so hot. Okay, enough of a break, time to get back to work. Okay, so here's the update. I changed into a pair of shorts because I was getting way too hot. I blew my nose because I was getting allergies and my hay fever's out of control. And now I'm going to clean this desk area. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's just go back to the plans. Alright, so, I did a bit of a checklist of what I want in here. Okay, things to include in the room. Yeah, my mirror, my jeans rack, yeah, some sneakers. Oh, that's a good idea. I need to get some sneakers. Some plants, a desk chair, maybe a rug, and a lamp. Okay, so going back to the two plans. So at the moment we've got the mirror here. So we might try this one where we put the jeans rack in the corner here. Then we move. I'm not sure about the desk being against the window. That is my concern. Don't know if I'm keen on that. Okay, so maybe we'll do the other one. Alright, so we move the desk to this corner right here. We move the desk over there. The mirror comes over here. The jeans rack stays where it is, and then we set up something like a meditation thing. Alright, let's just try. We'll try it. Oh, firstly, I'm gonna vacuum because it's dirty. Okay, the floor's clean. It looks actually like 100 times better now that I've done that. So the next thing to do is really move things around, and then I'm going to start decorating. So alright guys, it's currently a week later since I first started this whole project, but anyways, I basically sorted out where I'm going to put stuff. I know where I want my desk, where I want my chair and whatever, so I've put everything in the right spot after a few trial and errors. The last thing that I'm going to do is make some prints. So I want like some nice like quotes and like nice pictures and stuff, so I want to put them on the wall, along the wall here. So I'm thinking maybe like 4 or 5 small prints along this wall. So I'm gonna go to IKEA and buy some frames, and then I'm gonna go print up the photos. So let's go. Alright, so I'm back from the store. I got back yesterday from buying the frames, and then I went today to print the photos. So I've got my photos here. I'm gonna just cut them to size and put them in the frames, and then I'm gonna hang it up, and then I'm gonna show you around this tiny little but very stylish room. Alright, so that took a while and it's really hot up here. I've made a big mess down here, but I've got my pictures in the frames and now I'm gonna hang them up. So I'm really excited. So the first one we have is this one. The theme of it is just sunsets, and I've got one like inspirational quote as well. So I think I've got 2 sunsets, so I'll do sunset, sunset. Maybe I'll do So guys, I'm done with my room and I'm going to give it a tour, so let's go ahead. So, walk in and the first thing that you see is the lamp on this side.
I fill the flowers with.
Alright guys, so I'm done with my room. It's all nicely decorated. I'm so excited for you guys to see it, so let's go ahead. First thing that we have to the right is this lovely lamp from IKEA. It's got this gold rod, or whatever it's called, the gold base, and you know, it's just a normal lamp. It's great though. I love the vibe. I love the vibe of it. I like that it's gold. Moving on, we have my denim rack. I've got some denim, blue denim, black denim. This needs to be fixed. I tried to do a bit of an ombre, you know, from light to dark. We got some stripes. And yeah, I've got way too many jeans. Coming over here to my desk area, this is where I edit my videos, where I watch TV shows or whatever, you know, everything that I do on my laptop. So, I've got a white desk. This is a plain white desk. I think I got it from Officeworks. But I just used some marble contact paper, which I got from Kmart, which you would have seen in the video. So yeah, I just covered it up like this. I think it looks a bit nicer, a little bit more glam. Then we got a marble coaster for my tea, got a Jo Malone candle and some fresh flowers. My chair is pretty luxe. I've got a fur throw from Kmart, which was like, I don't know, it was like $10 or less. A cushion from Kmart as well, and then yeah, just a normal chair. This is like a dining chair, which I stole from home, so thanks Mum and Dad. Moving on, now we come to this side of the room, which is my favourite. So, we have a beautiful mirror, which is amazing. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's like this gold brass material. And then I just put a long leaf because I wanted some greenery on this side of the room. Yeah, I like that it's full length, and I've been looking for a mirror like this for ages. And I found one that was not like $3,000, so I'll link it down below. Then we've got an IKEA set of drawers just along here. I have not organised this properly, but it's mainly for makeup and other things that I want to put away. We've got Michelle Obama's book, which is so aesthetically pleasing, and I'm really excited to read it, so yes. And then we've got a single vase with a single flower here. And yeah, it's so pretty, I love it. I decided to keep this area pretty like simple. At first I was going to put like a lot of books and like, you know, a lot of like plants and greenery, but I just decided to keep it pretty simple and, you know, minimal and clean. Then we've got the prints in the frames over here. So I decided on 4 different frames, and it's mainly, you know, we've got 2 sunsets, we've got an inspirational quote, and then we've got flowers, a picture of flowers. And these are all photos, apart from that one. These are 3 photos that I took on my phone, so yeah, it's pretty cool. I just got them printed at Officeworks, and then I put them in frames from Kmart. And then this is just a quote that I just made in Photoshop. It's obviously a quote from somewhere, but now we've got a fake plant from Kmart, and it's in a gold pot from Ikea. And then we've got this awesome armchair, and I love the colour. I think the colour is perfect for this room. And yeah, it's just amazing. Like the mirror and the chair are 2 things that I just envisioned to be in this room, and I'm so happy that it happened. It manifested. I manifested this situation. So that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this room transformation, and I had so much fun doing it, and it didn't take me very long. It took me like a few hours per day. I spread it over a few days. I probably could have done it in one day, but I just didn't have all my stuff together. So yeah, it's an easy task if you're interested in doing it. I link all the products that I have in my room below if you're interested. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!